Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hana Nabila as moderator, and this is my friend
Ansel Fiareni.
as present. Here I will explain some of the teaching process and method suggested in the 2013 curriculum and teaching step. Preliminary activities. In preliminary activities, the teacher 1. Prepare student psychology and physical to take part in the learning process. 2. Asking questions about the material that has been studied and related to the material to be studied. 3. Take two students to a problem or text that will be carved out to learn a material and explain the learning objective or basic competition to be achieved. And 4. Convey an outline of the scope of material and explanation of the activity the student will undertake to solve problem or text. B. Core activities. The core activity is a learning process to achieve goal which is carved out intricate, very inspirational, fun, challenging, motivation students to activity becoming information seekers, and private suffix space for innovative creativity and independent according to their talent. Inter and physical development. As will a psychology student, the core activities use methods that are tailored to the characteristic of student and subject, which include the process of observing, asking questions, gathering information, articulating, and communication. For learning with regard to KD, which is producer for doing something, the teacher facilities so that students can observe modeling atau demonstration by teacher or experts. Students imitate the teacher, check and provide feedback, and further training to students. In every activity, the teacher must pay attention to competition related to actions such as honesty, strongest comprehension, tolerance, discipline, obeying rules, expressing the opinion of the lesson in the syllabus and lesson plans. The way data is collected is relevant as possible to the type of data being explored, for example in laboratory, study, file, library, museum, and so on. Before using it, students must know and be trained to continue to apply it.
Observing. In observing activities, the teacher open with and various opportunities for students to make observation through activities, saying, listening, and reading. The teacher facilitates students to make observation, train them to pay attention, see, read, hear. Important things for an object or objects. 2. Asking. In observing activities, the teacher opens opportunities readily for students to ask questions about what has been seen. Listening to, read, or seen, teacher need to equip students to be able to ask questions. Question about the result of observation of concrete object to abstract honest with regard to such concept, procedure, or other more abstract matters. Factual question to hypothetical question. From situation where students are trained to ask questions from the teacher, it still requires the help of the teacher to ask questions to the level where students are able to ask questions independently. From the second activities, a number of questions were generated. Through questioning activities, the curiosity of students is development. The more training in asking, the more curiosity can be developed. These questions become the basic for seeking further information and a variety of sources determined by the teacher to the task determined by students, from a single sources to multi sources. 3. Collect and association. The follow-up of taking is to dig and gather information from various sources through various means. For that, students can read more books, pay attention to phenomena or objects that are more accurate, or even carry out experiments. From these activities, a number of information was collected. This information becomes the basic for the next activity, namely processing information to find links of information with other information, finding pattern of read information, and even deriving conclusions from the pattern found. 4. Confiscate the result. The task activities is to write down or tell what is found in the activities of speaking information, calling and finding pattern. These results are presented in class and assessed by the teacher and as learning outcome or desk student or group of students. C. Closing activities. In the closing activities, the teacher together student and or himself make a summary conclusion of the lesson, conduct assessment and or reflect on activities that have been implemented consistently, and is program provides feedback on the learning process and result. Plans follow-up activities in the form of remedial learning and enrichment programs, counseling service, and or assigning both individual and group assignment according to the learning outcome of students, and submitting learning plans at the next meeting. Thank you. That's all of our presentation we end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.